Good morning, students. Last week I've explained you what is a dramatic monologue. And today I'm going to talk about another literary term, problem play. As you know that there are different types or forms of drama like tragedy, comedy, historical plays, satirical plays, etc. Similarly, we have problem plays. Problem play is also known as drama of ideas or realistic drama. It is a fairly recent dramatic type of drama that developed in the 19th century to deal with controversial social issues in a realistic manner, to expose social evils, and to stimulate thought and discussion on the part of the audience. Problem play may also be defined as the presentation of a contemporary question through realistic technique. In problem plays, the situation of the protagonist is so rendered as to indicate that it represents a contemporary problem. The problem can be a social problem, it can be any political problem, or any kind of problem. It is used to include all serious drama in which problems of human life are presented. The dramatist states the problem clearly and effectively and do not present any solution or suggest any remedy. He simply ends the play with a question mark. Now, this type of drama, the problem play, had its beginnings in the work of the French dramatists Alexandre Dumas Fils and Émile Auger. The problem play reached its maturity and it was made popular in the works of the Norwegian playwright Henrik Ibsen, whose works had artistic merit as well as topical relevance. Ibsen's first experiment in this type of drama was Love's Comedy. It was published in 1862. It is a critical study of contemporary marriage. His other masterly plays expose the hypocrisy, greed, and hidden corruption of his society. A Doll's House, a very famous play by Henrik Ibsen, brings to light the hypocrisy that prevails in domestic life all over the world. Another famous play, Ghosts, attacks the convention that even loveless and unhappy marriages are sacred. It also deals with the problem of hereditary diseases. His another famous play was The Wild Duck, that shows the consequences of an egotistical idealism. An Enemy of the People is the tragedy of an idealist who struggles in a modern society. It reveals the expedient morality of respectable provincial townspeople. Now, besides Henrik Ibsen, the two major or famous dramatists who wrote problem plays are G.B. Shaw and John Galsworthy. So I am going to discuss about them. G.B. Shaw's dramas are also known as drama of ideas. He was an Irish playwright, critic, political activist, and a noted social reformer, and he wrote more than 60 plays. According to Shaw, problem play is the presentation of a conflict between man's will and his environment. Now I am giving you some examples, the title of his play and the problem with which he dealt with in that particular play. His famous play Apple Cart, this play is also in your syllabus in third year. It discusses the hollowness of democracy. Then Widower's House is another famous play by Shaw and it deals with slum landlordism. Mrs. Warren's Profession is about prostitution. Then two of his famous plays, The Philanderer and Getting Married, deals with family life and problems of marriage. Arms and the Man, it discusses the problem of love and futility of war. Another famous play by Shaw, The Doctor's Dilemma, is about callousness of medical profession. Then another famous dramatist who wrote problem plays was John Galsworthy. He wrote about 30 plays, and his first play, The Silver Box, exposes the pernicious problem of class distinction between the rich and the poor. Strife, another famous play by Galsworthy, and it is also in your syllabus. It dramatizes the conflict between labor and capital. Loyalties shows the conflict of loyalties and how they clash with one another. Another play, The Pigeon, exposes the evils of shelter homes and poor houses. The Skin Game deals with the different values of the old aristocracy and the newly rich business class. A Family Man, another famous play by Galsworthy, illustrates that excessive authority in domestic life spells disaster. Window takes up the problem of illegitimate children. And Foundations analyzes the problem of class divisions. Besides these, some plays by later writers such as A. Wesker, Harley Granville, J. McGrath, H. Brenton, and D. Hare also raise contemporary issues, often using a wider canvas than their predecessors. So, this is what a problem play is, and we have also discussed the famous dramatists who contributed to this form of play by exposing various social and other contemporary problems. Thank you.